Hey, welcome back to our channel, Let Us Eat. My name's Luke.
I'm Destiny.
And today's video, we did cheesecake. Oreo cheesecake. Of course, we did a vegan and a non-vegan versions, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Talk about facts here.
The facts that went wrong. Hey, welcome back. So, Destiny, let's go over some of the problems we had with this video.
Because there was a lot of problems.
There was a few things.
We are not cheesecake.
We are definitely.
And it's very prominent in this video.
But, I mean, we're not discouraging at all. You guys definitely try it. So, yeah. Let's talk about the non-vegan one first. Definitely for first off, I think the crust part needed a little bit more butter than what I expected. It's just because it didn't sit right. Even though we let it freeze for about an hour, it still had some issues being combined. And then also,
I'd probably put a parchment paper underneath it in order to get it out of the pan.
yes, also line your pans.
Don't
be that person.
Line all your pans.
What? What is that?
The crust didn't come out. I didn't dig into it enough.
The cream cheese with all the other ingredients. I think we needed to let it boil a little bit longer. just because it didn't get that fullness, the thickness that a cheesecake gets. It definitely was a little soupy. So cook your cream cheese a little longer than what we did, which is about 10 minutes. I definitely think you should go a little longer, but make sure you don't burn it. Since we didn't cook the cream cheese long enough, when we started pouring it into the mold, it started actually moving the crust around. But after we got it poured in there, we let it refrigerate for about 15-20 minutes, and then we sprinkled on the Oreo dust on top, and then that let it set in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours, and that should firm up. Yes.
Oreo dust.
It is Oreo dust.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. I just want to end with mine.
What?
Because it's such a disappointment. The vegan cookies and cream cheesecake. There is definitely some problems going on.
Just some?
As you can tell by the ingredients, all it consists of was chopped up cashews.
Creamed cashews.
For the flavor, it's obviously not there at all. Yeah, it just tasted like cashews. Creamy.
At least they were creamy. I mean, I would have been really disappointed if there was chunky. Let's do it.
I'm not sure if maybe that the original recipe thought that it was going to be good enough just to have the cookies and that it's going to be enough sugar content, but no. Some maybe changes that we would probably do if we were to do this again in the future would be incorporating some type of either like vanilla extract in it to maybe just give the cashew flavor, and then additional like sugar, whether that be like powdered sugar, to give it some sweetness like you would expect in a regular cheesecake would have. Because pretty much based off of a previous experience that I've had whenever going to a veg fest, host a bunch of vendors that bring in a bunch of vegan foods to try out. There was one vendor that had a cheesecake that was made out of cashews, and it tasted perfectly fine. So I mean, like, the comparison of what the cheesecake that we made today and that cheesecake, they had similar consistencies. The taste was definitely not there. So that is the only issue that probably would have needed to be
addressed. Yeah. Good thing is it did set up like a cheesecake.
Yeah, it did.
It was firm. It didn't jiggle.
Didn't jiggle.
Mine jiggled. Okay. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Please make sure you go subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you guys next week. Bye. I hate you.